Well, welcome everybody to Lookie Dare. I'm your man, Paul.
And I'm Mom, and we got the cutest little tiny for you today.
This is the Commodore Millenian S2 from D&J Homes in Richmond, Indiana.
And this particular one is 2 bedroom and 1 bath. It's 600 square foot.
It's a tiny house.
Yes, it's perfect for a vacation home or a casita out back. Yeah.
I love the colors on this one too.
I do too, and I'm just so excited. Mom, Pa's gone tiny.
There's a little bitty window right there. Did you see that on the side here?
I did. And look, we have 2 windows, a door, a receptacle, and a water faucet on the back.
I thought I saw a faucet on the front too, Ma.
Probably so. This tiny is mighty.
Oh, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button.
Oh, yes, and share with your family, friends, and acquaintances. I like the way the roof slants. That's pretty cool.
Very modern looking.
Mm-hmm. We have 3 windows on the front, a door, and that's right, a receptacle and a faucet on the front.
You ready to go inside this one?
Oh, yes.
Let's do it.
Oh, would you look at this?
Oh, it's so cute. Oh my goodness, look how tall the ceilings are, Pa.
And I like those windows.
I do, and they have the transients above each window and even above the door there. Living room is 11.8 by 14. It's so cute.
It is very cute.
A place for a ceiling fan there, Pa.
It's got a galley style kitchen.
Yes, but did you notice a farmhouse sink already? Yay. And a built-in microwave even, Pa.
You see how long that looks?
Yes.
This thing looks a lot bigger on the inside than it did on the outside.
Mm-hmm. What do we have here, Pa?
It's a bedroom.
It is. And the bedroom size is 8.4 by 6.2.
I love the tall ceilings.
Oh, I do too. And the cool looking window.
There's a water heater.
Mm-hmm. Whoa.
I'd put some shelves up there.
Yeah, use it for storage on items you don't use all the time. That'd be great.
Yeah, put a little step ladder in there and all kinds of extra storage room.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I like the floor as well.
No carpet.
Mm-hmm. And it looks like the vents are in the floor.
Yep, buddy.
It's hard to believe that this is a small kitchen, but it has all the amenities that you need.
I like the dark sink.
Yes. It's Whirlpool appliances.
What does that window do?
It opens and shuts. And it has a ledge for it so I can put some of my herbs, Pa.
I like the cabinets too.
Mm-hmm. I like the color. It flows real well with the floor. Here's the back door. And it has blinds built in the window. Here's the area for the washer and dryer.
Put a stack washer and dryer right there, Ma.
Or some of the new washers wash and dry. Oh, and that's a full-size furnace too, isn't it, Paul?
It looked like it.
Yeah, this flows pretty well.
I really like the dark on light wood.
Yes.
I like that a lot.
Yeah, that's like a maple coloring wood, isn't it? Maple colored?
That's what I'd call it.
Mm-hmm. And I like the 3 drawer. It does have 3 drawers, Paul. So I like the dark pools.
There's your electrical box.
Mm-hmm. Easy access. I like the window, Paul. A shower and tub combo.
I like the dark faucets too.
Mm-hmm.
And the window above the shub.
Mm-hmm. So it does have 2-panel doors as well. And the master bedroom size is 12 by 8'8".
You have another tall closet.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Well, this home is just perfect for a senior citizen, a single person, a person who wants a vacation home. This is just awesome. Like I said, Pa, tiny but mighty.
Sure is.
Love that sink, Pa.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen a tiny house quite like this one before.
I agree.
I like it a lot.
Mm-hmm.
So, Ma, what'd you think of that house?
I just think it's the cutest tiny house ever. And you know something, Paul?
What?
I just thought of something.
Uh-oh.
This would be good if someone had land or some area where they could actually use this for a home office.
That would be a good idea.
And what do you think, folks? What would you use it for? Where would you put it? And what colors would you choose? We'd love to hear from you.
I think it'd make a great mother-in-law house.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe a house for...
The kiddos?
Yeah.
Stick them in the backyard, Paul.
That's a great idea. Can we get it for a doghouse?
Oh, Rover would love it.
That way when you put me in the doghouse.
Or how about a house for Joe, our favorite cameraman?
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Joe just has to buy it and buy some property.
Mm-hmm.
You ready for the price on this one, Ma?
Yes.
And the price is...
Ooh, like I said, tiny but mighty.
Very nice.
Now, we are not salespeople.
No, we are not.
We're not even affiliated.
We are not.
We're just here because we love touring these homes.
Yes, and to share this tiny with you this time, folks, is exciting.
Thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.
And don't forget, we love you.
Bye.
Oh, would you look at this?
Lookie Dare are not salespeople. They're not even affiliated. They're just here because they love touring these homes. See a sales consultant for current prices.